Alright, here's a video how to take the MLG Webcheckers, the IO link version, and get the edge data into Datarecorder. So right now I've got it connected, powered up with an SI link box. Needed to have the 110 volts 12 to power the device since they need more than what the USB can offer. I'm also connected with Ethernet. So this is the Ethernet interface I'm looking at here. So now if I take this phone and put in the Webcheckers there, you can see that I'm reading edge 1 and edge 10. So I'll go ahead and do a snipping tool on that. Now I'll go ahead and close out of this window. I've got that snipped. Come here. We'll make this Web 2. We're going to put it in a Excel file, save, and then we're going to come here and we'll come to IO link edge 1, I believe it is. So IO link live edge. So that was edge 1 and edge 10 that we were looking at. Let's see here, edge 1, edge 10. So I'll just illuminate those two or check those two boxes, click OK, push record. Now I'm recording data, and I'll stop. Now I'll come back to my file. Now we see edge 2. And there's my data. So if I want to know, say, the width of what I'm looking at is edge 1 and edge 10 that we saw here. So whenever I do the calculations, I should reach 148.2. So we'll get the calculator out. And we'll do 246.2 minus 98.0. Subtract the right ones. 246.2 minus 98.0. 148.2. And that's how you use it. So let me know if you have any questions, and hope this helps.